Hey guys, good morning. So, back on my way to the old apartment. Just slept my first night in my new apartment and it sleeps nice. I'll have to bleep that out. Sorry. For the rest, new apartment looks great. Now I think time to get the rest of the things back on the road. And for today, cleaning! There are a lot of holes in the road. Hey guys, so I'm back at the apartment, the old apartment. We've got a lot of stuff that has to go. Actually that has to be moved on Mondays. But today, the day of cleaning. Cleaning the kitchen right now. Over here. The kitchen. Some of the guys just threw away a lot. Hello. Say hello to YouTube.
Hey gay.
Oh, they don't like it. Anyway, so the place is pretty empty right now. Pretty empty.
Maar dit is een kaartje, ik wil wel vertellen.
Hey guys, good evening. So, today, Sunday evening, we moved a lot of stuff at the old apartment and I'm back at the new apartment now, as you can see. And, well, let's go into the dark because I noticed something pretty strange. When I was at my door, window thing, I saw that on the other side, there's a Polish cafe. And what do they have in the living room? Indeed, that's a Christmas tree! They have still standing a Christmas tree in their room. How crazy is that? Anyway, I just thought I should show you. Weirdo? Hey guys, and welcome to my new bed. Wait, you're in my bed! Get out of it! No, I'm in my new apartment and last video of today, so last bit of today, so you know what that means. Good night, sleep well.